Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the why ball wall is used as an emergency shutdown wall. Okay, so there was so many comments in the ball wall video. Okay, we have already covered the ball wall video. You can check it out, that video, in the industrial wall playlist. So I have here with the new video where we will discuss about the why ball wall is preferable for the emergency shutdown wall. So in the ball wall application, we discussed that the ball wall is used as an emergency shutdown wall, ESV we can say. It is also used as a shut-off wall. It is also used as a quick shutdown wall, or it is also used as a on-off wall, right? So the reason behind it is the same. Okay, the reason is same behind it that we are going to discuss in this video. So when we discussed about the walls, okay, when we discussed about the wall type, so that time we discussed that mainly there are the two types of the wall. The one is a linear walls and the second one is your rotary walls, or which is also known as the quarter turn walls, right? So if I talk about the linear wall, in the linear wall, there is the example of the linear wall is, see, this gate wall is your linear wall, this globe wall is your linear wall, this diaphragm wall is your linear wall. Why this wall are linear? Because there is the wheel within it. Okay, to on or off or to operate these walls, there is the wheel with that, right? So whenever you have to on or off the gate wall, what you have to do, simply you have to rotate that wheel at 360 degree, or simply you have to rotate the wheel at the 360 degree. Got it my point? So simply it is the time consuming, like whenever, or the time spending, you can say, the time taking, you can say, right? So whenever you have to open the gate wall, so it will take some time. Same, whenever you have to open the globe wall, it will take some time, right? So this is your linear type of the wall. Now the another example or the another type is your quarter turn wall. The another example is your quarter turn wall, that is also known as the rotary wall. Okay, so the example of the quarter turn wall is, the first one is your ball wall, the second one is your plug wall. Why these are the needle wall, you can say. Okay, why these walls are the quarter turn wall? The reason behind it is that there is the simply handle. Okay, so to open or close the quarter turn wall, what you have to do, simply you have to turn this handle at the 90 degree. Okay, at the 90 degree when you will turn it, so what will happen, that whether it will on or whether it will off. So when it will be at the 45 degree, so what will happen, please let me in the comments box. So now simply see here, this is your one ball wall, right? And let's suppose it is connected here. Okay, simply just I am explaining you, and there is the following fluid which is following. Okay, so right now this ball wall is open or on. Why? Because this handle is at the parallel, you can say, or this handle is parallel with the your following fluid, or with the this line, right? So whenever this handle, whenever in the quarter turn wall, whenever your handle is along with the your following fluid or parallel to the your following fluid, it means that your wall is open. Please consider or keep in mind, because this is very important. Whenever a newcomers come into the industry, so they generally confuse that whether this wall is open or closed, right? Same in the case of the gate wall or globe wall, we have already discussed that how to know that whether this wall is open or closed. That video you can also check it out in the industrial wall playlist. So now right now this wall is open because it is parallel to this handle is parallel to your pipeline. Okay, now when it will be closed, simply when this handle will be at the 90 degree, this handle will be at the 90 degree with this line, okay, or with the following fluid, so that time this wall will be off. Are you getting my point, what I want to say? Okay, so that was the just general concern about the when your wall is closed or when your wall is open. So tell me one thing, whenever you have to close or open this wall, whenever you have to close or open this wall, will it take the time? Will it take the time, or will it take the more time? Let's suppose if there is the any emergency occurs and you have to stop the pipeline, or you have to stop the following fluid to go in the downstream section, right? So at that time, if let's suppose if there is the ball wall is there, the one case is that there is the ball wall, right? And the another case is there is the gate wall, or let's suppose the glove wall, right? So my question is that when you will require the less time to close the wall, right? In the case of the gate wall or glove wall, or in the case of the ball wall, right? So that is the answer behind the why we use the emergency shutdown wall as a ball wall. Okay, so why we use the ball wall as an emergency shutdown wall, or quick shutdown wall. The reason behind is that this is a quarter turn wall, this is a rotary type of the wall. So whenever you have to close the wall, simply it will require the very less time to close the wall. It means that your downstream section, the fluid will not go in the downstream section, and in the case of the plant shutdown or in the case of the emergency, simply you can restrict the flow, right? So this was the answer behind the why we use the ball wall as an emergency shutdown wall or quick shutdown wall, right? Now here one question could be arise that, sir, ball wall and plug wall both are the quarter turn wall, both are the rotary walls, so why we do not use the plug wall instead of ball wall, right? So the answer of this question you have to give me in the comments box, because we have already covered the difference between the ball wall versus plug wall video in our previous videos, right? You can also check it out, that video, or you can, if you know the reason, please let me in the comments box, right? So that's all for the today's video. If you have any doubt in this video, if you have any suggestion regarding to this video, you can let me in the comments box. So thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning.